What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tasha. This is my old setup for my room. I know y'all probably remember this, but I was just showing y'all before we get into this video. You gonna really be whining like that while I'm on Tush? Y'all hear him in the background being disrespectful? I swear I can't do nothing. Can't be great at my house for nothing. But yeah, this is a voiceover because I muted this part because of the other people that were disrespectful when I recorded this part in the first place. But yes, y'all see my old office setup. So hopefully this gonna probably be like the quickest renovation video. Yeah, I'm not doing all that. But this is what my office looked like before, and then y'all will see the mid and then the after. So just make sure if y'all like the video, y'all leave a like, share, and subscribe, and let's get on to the rest of the video. Okay, y'all, my big ass is tired, so I cleared up my whole office. I'm gonna go over some of these little splotches on the wall, maybe. I got my steamer on the floor because I like to treat my room, disinfect with the hot steam. But yeah, room is empty, all but this because I ain't feel like getting up on this ladder. I still might, but I don't know. But it's time. I gotta do a couple more things and then I'm gonna film when I start putting stuff in here. So enjoy. So, okay guys, this video has been a couple of months in the making, but I did renovate my office. As y'all can see, let me start from this side. Got all my... Somebody want screen time, huh? My Funko Pops. I got more shelves in here. I put me some posters around. Hopefully y'all can see everything. There go our little play button because we never got a chance to unbox it. We were supposed to do a video. I think I still got the video, but Trey never did it. So yeah. So my books, which are mostly horror and manga. Comic books at the bottom. Y'all, if y'all been rocking with us, y'all know that already. Those are lunch boxes at the top, by the way. I think I'm gonna start collecting them too when I get a new office and I have more room. Funkos. The space over here for Funkos is like for, this still ain't even enough space. I got a lot of pre-orders that gotta come in. Y'all see my boy Eraser, because if y'all didn't know, he's my fave. Y'all know I love the horror. Got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre box. I like K-pop, but BTS and Blackpink are my faves at this moment. I do mess with some other groups, but just those are my faves. So I don't want to hear no shit about that. My favorite DC girl, Wonder Woman. I also like Hawk Girl, but they don't be giving her enough shine. Bam! Because we respect Corey Kenshin in this house. These are licensed Black Panther items. Kamoyo beads, his necklace, like for his suit. Those are like an Infinity Stone bracelet, if y'all never seen that stuff. More Funko Pops. My autograph from David Ramsey from Comic Con. Mr. P, he new to the family. Y'all welcome Mr. P. Little art. Trey got me this record player, I think, for our anniversary one year. I thought that was cool because it does play the old school records. I'm scared to mess with it though, so I haven't. This is my Scouter and my Dragon Radar that actually like work. I just haven't unboxed them. My junky office and core management and got toys under the desk. Cause why not? This is my new Captain America chair. I was waiting on that before I did the video. I have another wall scroll that I have to have that needs to go right there. So that's the only thing like missing right now. And this is my mural of art. I'm a little OCD, so it's not exactly like I wanted it, but I just went ahead and did the video anyway. So yeah. Yep, that's pretty much it. So, new office, not new office really, just a little minor renovation so that like, yeah, let me do it this way too, because I don't know how it's gonna look on this editor when I edit this shit. But all of these. And then I got my PS5 down there and stuff. So, but yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. So there y'all have it. I shared with y'all the new office setup. So make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna get up out of here. I should have just made this like a short TikTok video, huh? And yes, if you're watching this, we are not on TikTok. So y'all ignore all the cringe y'all gonna see soon. But y'all stay real.